Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assemble your TCL QD mini gaming monitor. So basically this is a 27-inch beast with 180 Hz of refresh rate. It also has the HDR of 600 nits in brightness, so I think it's pretty okay. And it has a 1 millisecond reaction time. So I think it's a very solid monitor. Now let's get into actually assembling it. So first, let me get the stand that is on the left side. So we're gonna start off with this. Now let's grab it and let me place it in the middle. Now here we will have this little screw that we need to screw, but we do not need the screwdriver. We can just screw it automatically like that. So let's place it like that. Now let's get our second part of the stand, and here let's just place it on top. Now after we place it, what do we need to do is we need to grab it, turn it around, and here we will have the screw that we will need to screw in. So as you guys can see, now I'm screwing it in, and now I can just close it and our stand is ready. So now the second part is the monitor. It may be a bit harder, but let's get right into it. So let me just grab the monitor. Now here there's something in the back of the monitor, as you guys can see, something that we will need. So we just need to pull it forward towards us. Now we need this part, so don't leave it anywhere. And now let me just get rid of the monitor for a second, because we now need to put it on our stand. So as you guys can see, we've got everything here. We need to place it on our stand with the back side being black. So just push it in until you hear a click. So basically keep on pushing it until you either hear a click or you just know that it's in. So this might take a while. It took me about 5 to 10 tries at the first time when I was first assembling it. So I'll get back to you once I get it. As you guys can see, we've got it now and everything here is ready. So now let's grab our monitor from behind, and after that let's just place it on this stand right here. So let me place the stand like that so you guys can see. And now we need to place our monitor exactly on those two spikes that are up top. Let me pull it right here so you guys can see it. Two spikes right here. And now let's just keep on placing it. So I actually need to move it a bit closer to me so you guys won't see the exact process, because I'm touching the wall with the monitor. It's very big. And now let's just get over with this and place it. As you guys can see, now it's holding up and we've got ourselves a monitor. So now all that's left to do is plug in the cables. So here we will have the cables that we need to plug in. We need to plug this one into the power. Basically, it's an adapter to our power supply, and we need to also plug it here. Now this will go into the monitor, but I'll show it to you guys once I plug everything in. So now what we need to do, we need to plug this cable right here into this port. It's the one that's black. So now, as you guys can see, the light came up, and what we need to do next is we need to plug in our display port right here. So we have our display port, and let's hope my cable is long enough. here we will be able to plug it. So now let me just turn it around, and as you guys can see, we've got ourselves a monitor. So this monitor works pretty well. Now as you guys can see, we can do stuff on it. We can click, let's say, on the display settings, and here we can open them. As you guys can see, we've got everything ready, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.